Alan, how about over at Alteryx? Tell us about a specific program you'd like to highlight that you're working on across the spectrum.
It's impossible to pick just one, so I'm gonna try two. I'll do one federal and one state. So the U.S. Census, we've done a lot of work with them, and
Yeah.
watching them automate some of their processes. They had a process where they were producing insights on economic indicators, and historically they had really a manual process where site inspectors were collecting survey data, and they had to manually collect it and compile it, analyze it every month. Really time consuming, and one that could have errors introduced because of all that manual process. And they took Alteryx and really took some new data sources. They now use satellite imagery to supplement that structured data, using machine vision and really automated data collection processes. They take tens of thousands of municipalities worth of data and run it through a full automation. And now they're able to really accelerate the speed to get that insight, improve the sample size of data, because now they don't really have to sample, they can use all the data, really increasing the granularity of that insight that they give out. And that creates more value for the people, the stakeholders that are using that. And one of the cool things here, again, is we see this ability to upskill, that these domain experts that have really deep knowledge of that process were able to do it themselves. And that's really exciting to see. And then one other example, since COVID hopefully is on its way out, the state of Florida, when their unemployment system really crashed under the weight of COVID, they used Alteryx to really take and unify all of that cloud-based collection that they had in Google Forms, actually, and automate that process, taking 76 different workflows and being able to carve through 2 million unemployment applications with greater speed and accuracy, and no longer having the system crash. And so whether it's that very kind of more tactical response to, in this case, a pandemic, or really up leveling the levels of insight that an agency was giving, we see just huge impact at organizations really all over the world.